picture and tell me whether she is on the bed or in the bed. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel SavvyShweta, and in today's video we will understand how to use in and on correctly while we are speaking and writing in English with the help of examples. Also, in the end, there will be a practice quiz which will help you further your understanding. So stay with me till the end. So let's not waste any time and start understanding when to use in and when to use on. So if someone is sitting in the chair, we use in. And if we put something on the chair, then we use on. Like Raj is sitting in the chair. Clothes are left on the chair. If someone is lying in the bed, inside the blanket, we use in the bed. And if someone is sitting or lying outside the blanket, then we use on the bed. For example, Deepika is in the bed and dog is on the bed. We use on for sofa, like we were sitting on the sofa. For all the electronic devices, we use on. For example, on the computer, on the laptop, on the phone. I was working on my laptop. I watched this movie on the big screen. For the internet also we use on, like I'm on the internet. I watched this on the internet. Whenever the focus is on the place rather than on the device, then we use at. For example, I'm sitting at the computer or at the desk, at the table. When we talk about textbooks, books or articles, we use in. Like I read this information in the article. In is used for a longer period of time, like centuries, decades, months, years and weeks. Basically a period of time which involves more number of days. Like in a decade, he went from being a student to becoming a teacher. I will complete my training in another 2 weeks. I met him in summers. He went to London in January. We use in for parts of day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. But for night, midnight, and noon, we use at. For seasons and years, we use in, like in summers, in winters, in spring, in 2023, in 2000, and so on. We use in with cities, towns, and countries. We use in for a period of time, like in an hour, in a minute, in some time, in a moment. We use in for any space with walls, the one that is enclosed, like in office, in a room, in a house, or in a building. On is more specific than in, and it is used for days or weekends. Like my birthday is on 24th July. I will be meeting you on Monday. So we will use in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, but on Friday morning or on Friday evening, on Tuesday afternoon. This is because day is coming first. That is why we will use on. We use in for cars and on for plane, train, and bus. Basically, wherever we can stand while traveling, then we use on for that. And wherever we cannot stand, like in a car, we will use in. Sometimes it gets very confusing when to use in and when to use at for places, like in the restaurant or at the restaurant, in the office or at the office. Well, the answer is if you're physically inside the building, then we use in. But if you're in or out of the building, around it somewhere, then you can use at. Like I'm waiting for you at the restaurant. So you may not be inside the restaurant, but yes, you can use at here. But in is normally used when you're sitting in the restaurant. Now here's a simple quiz to help you understand this even better. Pause your screen, answer the question, and play the video to know the answer. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Please share, like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave your comments. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning. Have a great day and see ya.